Good evening, everybody. Welcome back again. Another new session. This is the first session in English in this channel. Thank you very much if you're still subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much for your beautiful sentences. Thank you very much for your support. Appreciate all the knowledge you give to us, all the advices. Appreciate the whole experience we shared together for more than 2 years. Thank you very much. Now, as we believed already, we deserve that our words need to be reached the whole world. I know that I'm not so professional in English talking, but I'm doing my best that my sentences and my analysis will reach the crypto community. Okay, so thank you very much. Appreciate if you're still listening. Appreciate, of course, if you subscribe to my channel. We are done with the non-sensitive people who are not getting the knowledge from the sources. We are done now from the people who does not respect the others in humanity and does not respect the others in their ideas, thoughts, or beliefs. Okay, so this is our first session in English, and game over from the whole jerk we had last 2 years. So thank you very much, the whole world. Thank you very much, our Arab speakers. We are now starting a new career and appreciate your support. And trust me, I'm going to be with you. As always, as you already knows, we are here for you. Okay? As long as we are speaking English, French, Arabic, or any other language. So contact me if you need any help. And thank you very much for mentioning your name in English and talking to me in the same language. If you are, of course, a non-Arabic speakers, if you speak Arabic, this is good for us. We can discuss so free together without difficulties. So, Bitcoin, what happens now to the levels we had? Are we done? Are we now positive? Okay, are we in the new impulsive waves or not? Simply, I know that many people will not understand the scientific terms, the algorithmic, of course, sentences, and also they will not understand the chart or how to read the charts. So I'm inviting you to read some kind of information, the basics one, to how you can identify, for example, some kind of candles. What is their names? What is the Bollinger Band? What does it represent? Of course, moving average and all the indicators. As long as you are trading, you need these sessions and you need, of course, this kind of science. So I'm going to be or at least I will be so easy explaining to you the whole informations you need to understand this analysis. We had a bearish engulfing from the 10,000. Okay, this is called a bearish engulfing, and it appears on the weekly chart. So every candle represents a weekly chart, as you may know. Now we stopped at the 8500. Okay, as you can see here, 8500. This level here represents the 21 moving average. The 21 moving average represents simply a good trending identification. So how can we benefit from the moving average 21 settings? Simply, the 21 programmed because the whole trading in Forex had 21 days as opening market. So the Forex works for the 21 days per month. So the algorithms works with the 21, 21, of course, settings. It represents the 21 candle in each chart. Okay, so that's why the 21 is very important to add in your chart. Simply, if you have any problems, identify the trend, add this moving average. As long as the price is below this I'm talking about algorithmic indicators, moving average, Bollinger Band, etc. But I'm talking now about the moving average. As long as the price is above, now there is some chance that the market can continue his bullish trending and his bullish sides. If not, then there is the bad coming. Okay, nothing more, nothing else. What do you see in the weekly chart? Simply the bearish candle. Of course, it's a reversal one, and you need to be careful Okay, the bearish candle stops from, I'll take about 10,000 all the way to the 85, 84, doesn't matter. Okay, it's 8,500 in English, in if we spell it correctly. Okay, so now we will place a line. Okay, we place a line. It's very simple. Now we place a line. Now, as long as we are above, there is some chance. But the academy, talking about the certified financial technicians from the International Federation of Technical Analysts, they said, okay, by group, they said that as long as we have a bearish engulfing shooting star in a reversal candle, do not enter any position until it can be cancelled. If it does not be cancelled, now take care if there is any reversal candle to close, okay, directly after the bearish engulfing. So till now we don't have any bullish signals in the weekly chart. Okay, we don't have any bullish signal in the weekly chart. Now everything is clear in the weekly chart. Write it down, okay, and believe it. And this is my advice for you. Believe it. Let's move to the daily chart. What do you see now? You can see that the markets or the Bitcoin is fighting the 21 moving average, also the middle moving average of the Bollinger Band. What does it mean? It simply means that if the price, okay, if the price creates another impulsive waves, then probably we can visit the next level, which is the 10,000, and now we can fight to cancel the bearish engulfing in the weekly chart. Okay. Also, there is some certified analysts. They use something called waves analysis. Okay, or waves analysis. Sorry if I spell it correct. Waves analysis, like Elliott, like Wilvey, and like other many certified science in this kind of domains. So what can we say about the impulsive wave we had? From the 10,000, which represents one bearish engulfing in the weekly chart, it is, okay, it is simply an impulsive wave here, okay, an impulsive wave here, and it's dangerous. So now maybe we can have the first wave here, and if we can see any bearish signal here, talking about any bearish engulfing shooting star, any reversal candle, please focus on the bearish signals. Okay, focus on the reversal candles. If we have any bearish signals from this, talking at least from the 9,000, 9,200, 9,500, as long as we are below the moving average 21. Okay, if we have any signals, then we can confirm that the first impulsive wave starts from here, and this is the second, and maybe we can see another third, and we can confirm that the bearish engulfing in the weekly chart is taking the position. Okay, it's very simple. There is nothing else we can talk more than this kind of science. Go more deeper and let's see the 4 hours chart. In the 4 hours chart, we can see that the whole bearish signals, we can say it has been cancelled. Okay, but there is some effect, there is some danger as long as we are, like we said already, we are trading below the, or at least not taking the high of the bearish engulfing in the weekly charts. So what is the next move? The next move, as long as I said before, we are trading higher than the moving average 21, so there is a signal, okay, we need to benefit from, but we must take care about how to risk, not how to risk, sorry, but how to take in advantages the risk ratio and also risk management. So simply taking an advance, or talking about the money management, if you can do that. If you cannot, you can contact me, I can help you with this. You can take your stop loss above the below the moving average 21, and then you can trade for the next level, which is simply here. Okay, it's very simple, 9,300. Why? Because it represents another level of, or mentioned by the Bollinger Band. Okay, this is very simple. Please, the most important thing in the financial market is simply what is your take profit and how much, and what is your stop loss, and If the stop loss is higher than the take profit, then probably you are trading at the risk. Simply learn how you can set the stop loss, learn how you can set where is the market is going, and do not be afraid. There is some difference between scalpers and long-term traders. As in advice, Bitcoin now is in danger to be traded in the long term. Okay, even we have how can we say it, a good trend. Okay, start from the 920, I think from the 8017. Okay, 8017, we can say that there is a danger, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter as long as we are trading higher than the 6800. Why? Because like I said before, we are trading higher than the indicator. The indicator is the moving average 21. Taking advantage. This is your secret. This is very simple. Trading is not simple, but it's not easy, but it's very simple. Okay, it's not easy, but it's very simple, and you must be smart. Focus in every condition, and as a certified trader, I'm giving you an advice. Get in any post before entering any position. Get a paper, write in the title monthly chart or monthly view. Monthly, it doesn't matter, or you can say the monthly. Write down there is a moving average at, there is a support at, there is a resistance at. Okay, close, keep the paper down. Move to the next weekly chart. There is levels, there is resistances, there is support, and move and stop in the 4-hour chart, because we are trading credibility simply by stopping at this kind of time frames. Do not rely on the 1-hour chart, or rely on less than for the 4 hours. Okay, so here we go. This is all for the Bitcoin. We must take care. Okay, we have some algorithmic levels. I'm talking about the 21 moving average. I'm talking about the 9,000, 9,200, etc. And you can see that there is some kind of accumulation here, but trust me, this accumulation, it's good, but you need to take in consideration how to risk your management and take care that there is some danger as long as we are trading below the 10,000, which is represent the power of the mother candle. Okay, so thank you very much. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you like this content, also share this information everywhere. Contact me if you need any help. I'm here to help you. Thank you very much again. See you later.